We all have a fair share of a bad day. Sometimes a coworker, friend, spouse, or relative just had a bad day and is feeling frustrated and sad. They may act angry or troubled. They could be anxious or distracted. You want to let them know that you care and to give them some encouragement. Check out some appropriate phrases in Nigerian Pidgin English to do this and their English translations. You know, say you fit count on me anytime. I dey here for you if you want talk. I don't experience am before. No let am tie you down. You dey strong, this thing go pass. Try put am behind you. Tomorrow na another day. Wetin don happen? Don happen. You go dey okay. You go dey okay. You go dey bam. You go dey bam. No worry, everything go dey alright. Wake up, my man, no dulling. Should you have any words of encouragement, please feel free and put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Adon Waka. Bye-bye.